Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to display how to rejoin in an active session from external link and how to navigate to internal apps. Here is the demo for navigating between apps and rejoin in an active session from outer link. Here is the outer link and try to join in the active session. Yes, it is connected. Here is the two application. Try to navigate from main application to app 1, and here is the application 2. From application 2 navigating from 1, from 2 to back to the main application. Let's start for the practical session. First, log in into the internal workspace as an administrator. And go to the manage instance, and then security, and then security tab again, and here the rejoin session enable for all sessions. That's it for the internal workspace. Sign out and sign in into your workspace. Here is my workspace. Then which page we would like to join from the external link. Choose that page and set its properties rejoin session. Choose enable for all session. By setting this, we can log in, we can join from the external link in that page if we are in an active sessions. Here I am trying to join the active session. Yes, join successfully. That's it for join from the external link. Now I am showing you how to navigating between apps. First go to the share component of the application and change it custom authentications. Set session sharing for application. For repeating that task for every application, choose authentication scheme and session sharing or application sharing. That's it. It's repeating for every application. How much application we need to navigate from one application to another. Here I have 3 applications and I am trying to navigating through all application from one to another. That's why I am setting all applications, share component, custom authentications, sharing session properties, and after navigating which page we will be redirect, that page need to be set rejoin session properties. That's all. If found helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.